Kakšna nedelja, kakšen večni derbi. Polne tribune ljudskega vrta in na koncu zmaga Maribora z 1-0 čudovitim zadetkom Soudanija. Zaostanek je zdaj le 3 točke. Prvenstvo je spet odprto. Bravo naši pubeci!
To je derbi, zmeram napeto, zmeram na robu incidenta, ampak danes je bilo vse v redu. Fantje so držali skupaj, fantje rastejo in seveda lepo je biti trener Maribora, takšnega Maribora, kar je danes.
Yeah, no, very happy, very important game for us. As you say, 3 points. But you can feel it, this game really lived in the team, you know. During this whole week, we're already thinking about this game, we're speaking about this game. And as you see, we play as a team, everybody fight for each other, this is what we want. And now we have to continue, you know. Yeah, it's an important game, but now the next one is even more important. This one is gone, we focus on the next game.